TIG welding requires extreme precision. In an inert atmosphere, fuses.
The raw ore now begins its journey toward becoming one of cycling's strongest materials. Before titanium can be formed, every stone must be carefully prepared for refining. Complex refining transforms raw minerals into exceptionally pure titanium. Extreme heat and precision create titanium of aerospace-grade purity. Every billet is inspected before it becomes the foundation of a racing frame. Powerful extrusion transforms solid titanium into the seamless tubes that define a world-class racing bicycle. Each tube is precision drawn to achieve the exact dimensions required for elite racing performance. Perfect alignment is essential before every tube becomes part of the bicycle frame. Computer-controlled cutting ensures every frame component begins with absolute precision. Every joint is machined to create flawless connections for titanium welding. Precision fixtures hold every component exactly where it belongs before welding begins. Expert craftsmanship joins every titanium tube with exceptional strength and precision. With every weld completed, the titanium racing frame is ready for final alignment and refinement. Every frame is measured with extreme precision to guarantee championship-level geometry. Controlled heat treatment enhances strength while preserving titanium's exceptional performance. The iconic titanium finish combines understated beauty with remarkable durability. Final machining ensures every bearing surface meet uncompromising engineering standards. Only flawless frames earn approval before receiving their final identity. Each frame receives its unique identity, ensuring complete traceability throughout its lifetime. Before shipping, every surface is protected to preserve its flawless finish. Precision packaging ensures each titanium frame arrives in perfect condition. From production to logistics, every movement is carefully coordinated for global delivery. The finished frames begin their journey to bicycle builders and riders around the world.